I kind of just assume this is going to end up in front of the U.S. Supreme Court, right?
I'm sure it will, Jake, and I'm sure Donald Trump will lose this in the appeals court and in the U.S. Supreme Court, because at its core, this is really not a liberal versus conservative, Democrat versus Republican issue. This is just a can you read the law issue. Section 1 of the 14th Amendment, you put it up before, Jake. It says any person who is born or naturalized in the United States, subject to U.S. jurisdiction, is a citizen. On top of that, Congress passed a law in 1940 and then reaffirmed it in 1952, saying the same thing. And on top of all that, there is a U.S. Supreme Court decision from 1898, but it's still good law, essentially saying the same thing. A person who was born here of non-citizen parents is a citizen. And these defenses that Paula just laid out, these responses from the Trump team saying, well, it's bad policy or it's bad for national security, that doesn't matter. It's a constitutional provision. It's not about whether does it serve us well or not. It's in the Constitution. It's been reaffirmed by Congress, reaffirmed by the Supreme Court, and I think Trump will fail here.
Right. And we should note also that there are exceptions built into the amendment. So, I mean, this has been hashed out over decades. For instance, the children of a foreign diplomat born in the United States are not automatically American citizens, et cetera, et cetera. Like, whether if Donald Trump can like it or not, and obviously he doesn't, but this does seem to be established law.
Absolutely. There are various exceptions. For example, certain people who are Native Americans and not subject at all to certain federal laws have been carved out of this. As you said, if there was an invading force who came in here and had babies here, theoretically, they would not be subject to this. But this has been hashed out. These are core questions. It's not about what's good policy or good politics. It's about what the Constitution says, what the Supreme Court has said.
Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out